Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to recover deleted draft emails. So let's go over to the new, then select mail. Then we're going to have an email address here. Then we're going to say for subject, just say subject1. Then for the body, we'll say body1. This is just as a sample for what we're trying to do. So of course we have this, and let's say you just go over to send items. So now you're away from that. Going to go over to drafts, and you can see it there, subject1. So we're going to click on the delete button right here. So once that is deleted, we're going to go over to deleted items, and right here you'll see subject1. So you can right click on it, and then you can click restore. Once you click on restore, you can see it's restored right there. If you go over to draft once again, you see the message which you were trying to write. So this is how to recover deleted draft emails. This of course can only work for those which you've deleted under 30 days. If it's more, you might have lost it forever.